All right, Louis Sports Film Manova Market, and this is February 25th, the recap. Well, today we were basically 2 for 3. We got smoked in the oil, but we won't get smoked because I always would trade with stops. So we had a negative bias in oil, and oil was a runaway today. But S&Ps, we were right on both ends. I actually was looking for 21.18. I've been calling for all week. I said that the long-term money is going to start exiting this market at 21.17 to 21.21. All and they're going to start taking profits. There have been I've seen myself probably 20,000 contracts gone off between 2015 up to 2018. So I tweeted out, go get on our Twitter feed that I would not be long up in this area. We got back inside value. We took out the 5-minute pivot. We tested the low of the value area low. So we took out the 5-minute pivot right here, right in this area right here, which was 21.1275. All the indexes went to a sell, and I think there was some profit taken, and I saw some big bids still down there at 2107, 2106. And I think the market's headed to 2102. I think we're going to get some action overnight tonight. That's what I'm thinking about S&Ps. Bonds. Okay, so bonds today, we had a bullish sentiment, and as you can tell, never even worked inside value again. And we had our bull bear zone right there, right at the top of value, and that 30-minute pivot, and the market has just rallied all day. Could not get up. We were bullish bonds, and I think this goes to the fact that Janet Yellen, even with people pushing her today, she basically said, I'm not doing anything with interest rates till we're ready to do it. So she's not giving us any foreshadowing, and that she doesn't want any metric that's going to tell her what to do with interest rates. She thinks the Fed should be able to maneuver and be able to manipulate rates as needed as the economy goes. She's not going to say anything that's going to spook this market either on the equity side or on the bond side. Also, you still go to my site and look at the bond trade and see how the big banks and the Fed are cleaning up with the flight to quality, because all the bonds that they were buying from 2008 and a half to 2009, meaning the year of 2008, and supporting our bond prices when everybody was fleeing our bonds, they're getting even now, because now the rest of the world's buying our bonds and they're buying them at the lowest rates ever. And our guys are cleaning up. So the bank stocks are going to have a big quarter just based on their interest rates, figuring a couple basis points on $1 trillion. That's as far as we did with bonds. Okay, so those were we were right down the road, and then we have our biggest loser today. We were basically we had a negative bias on gold. When we have a negative bias, that means the percentages that we will close lower than where we opened. The market actually, we had a bull bear zone of 49.15. The market actually just hung around our bull bear zone right here, this 49.15. And then it took off once it got back inside value. The bottom of value was right here, 49.53. And got to the top, failed, got back outside, and then went up there and attacked that 51.14. So oil had a nice rally today. Unfortunately, people, I think this is a short covering rally, and I got to see overnight action, but I think our bias will still be on the downside for tomorrow. That's what we have in oil. Recap. All right. Let me go back to gold. GC. Right here. I got a neutral on gold today. But I had said that our bull bear zone was right here at 1201. See that orange? That's the bull bear zone. Could not get back inside value, and gold basically uh, rallied and stopped here and then bounced off of that and kind of opened, uh, kind of closed exactly where it opened. So um, I think gold is just reacting to what's going on in the rest of the world right now, still affected by, reports came out that the Greece settlement is there, but there's still a lot of hurdles and uncertainty. And you know what? To tell you the truth, I don't, I don't think we really fully realize how fragile the European situation is at this point. And a lot of Republican congressmen um, pushing Yellen for full disclosure, balance sheet, stuff like that. I'm I'm like right now, I don't really want to know. I don't want to know because if it's as bad as I think it is, the exposure that we have and the Fed has, I think it scared the shit out of all of us. Sorry about that. All right. So tomorrow we will be doing a live trading session again at 10 a.m. Central Time. Go to YouTube and get the link. We're putting the links out there. Hopefully there'll be some volatility during that time. The other thing is, look, I'm doing this educational purposes. People text me or instant message me or ask on Twitter, should I go short? Should I go long? You're never getting an answer from me about that. This is a site that is supposed to help you with your trading decisions, They're not mine. If I was wanting to do that, I'd be managing money right now, and I'm not. Okay? So everybody, good luck, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.